Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series on data visualization and database management. In today's session, we will be exploring the powerful tool of the dashboard builder known as Query Builder. Query Builder is an essential component for working with databases, allowing you to retrieve, filter, and manipulate data with ease. So, let's dive right in and learn how to use Query Builder. The first step is to connect to the database you want to query. Click on the Data Source button within your charts interface. We will be using SQLite as data source in this tutorial. So let's click on the SQLite. Select your SQLite file. You can also upload a new database if it was not already uploaded. Once you have selected the necessary information, click on the Connect button to establish the connection. Now that we have established a connection, we need to launch the Query Builder. Open the chart settings by double-click on the Chart panel. Click the Launch Query Builder button to launch the Query Builder. In the Table Selection window, you will see a list of available tables. Choose the tables you want to include in your query by selecting them and clicking on the Apply button. The Dashboard Builder's Query Builders also allow you to join tables to retrieve data from multiple tables at once. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to build our query using the Query Builder's intuitive interface. To create the inner join, simply drag and drop the key from one table to the primary table. To select the columns you want to retrieve, simply click on the checkbox. To sort your data, simply click on the right side of the column. Feel free to explore other features provided by your Query Builder, such as alias, sorting and grouping. You can also specify conditions by using the available options like Add Condition or Filter. This allows you to narrow down the data you want to retrieve based on specific criteria. Once you have finished building your query, it's time to insert it to the chart setting and retrieve the desired results. Hit the Insert Query button within your Query Builder interface. Preview the generated SQL query to ensure it reflects your desired data retrieval and manipulation requirements if needed. Click on the Run Query button, and the Query Builder will send the query to the connected database to retrieve the data for your chart. To make a chart, add an X and Y axis field to your graph. The invoice date will be on the X-axis, and the total will be on the Y-axis. We'll go with a line chart. Apply the monthly total. Here is your month-by-month total sales graph. Save your changes. Resize your graph. You can save, share, and generate code for your chart. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of constructing queries using the dashboard's Query Builder with the graphical interface, allowing you to retrieve and filter data from databases without the need for extensive SQL knowledge. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.